Hello ladies and gentlemen, and what that there is a weld using the 6013 1/16th welding rod. This welding rod is amazing. Loving it. Loving this weld. You know yeah, it needs to be touched here and here, but look, when your welds start to chip and peel all on their own, then you know you're doing a damn good job of welding. Let's see if I can bring it up a little bit more. But God, I love it when it starts to peel on its own. Especially 7018 because it sounds like glass when it chips on its own. This is I'd say probably 16 gauge. But I don't have a wire feed, and I really don't like wire feeds. And this new 1613 welding rod by Lincoln. Thank you guys from Lincoln. Loving it. I'm like giving you guys free advertisement to the 5 or 6 people that actually watch these videos. I hope if you have a stick welder, go out there and get some of this 6013 1/16th. I hope they make it in 7018 soon. This is Master Sice. Peace out.